Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of all of the white powder stuff that is all over your squash, zucchini, or sugini squash, or any type of gourd type plant, whether it's pumpkins or anything like that. It is some type of a fungus or disease. You could also have something called blight on some of your leaves and foliage, but you can see here we've got all kinds of white powder all over the plants, and you know it's on there because if you hit it you can kind of see all the powder coming up, or it's also on your fingers, so watch out for that. But it is a bacteria, it is a fungus, and it will continue to spread and your leaves will get damaged like this, and so it's not good. You need to get rid of it, and how to do so safely is get some hydrogen peroxide. You get 1 bottle of this, which is 32 ounces, and you mix it with 1 gallon of water in a tank sprayer. So I've done that for us here already. Then you can pump it up and simply spray it on all of the leaves. So just like this, spray it on generously till that leaf gets kind of wet and starts running off. You can see there it's running off. So what you're doing is the peroxide is going to kill the bacteria, exactly like when you put it on a wound on your body and it kills the bacteria and it bubbles up. So don't be surprised if you hear fizzing noises or bubbling noises as you are applying this. And so apply it on everywhere you see the white, and about 12 or 14 inches around that area, because chances are the fungus has contaminated other plants. It just may not be manifesting yet. So put that on generously and then wait a few days and check your results. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. Also, stay tuned to future videos by hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos to help make your garden great. Thank you.